Twitter Chief Executive Officer Parag Agarwal and Chairman Brett Reiler told employees on Monday that the social network will keep operating as usual, including with Agarwal at the helm, until the deal to sell the company to Elon Musk for $44 billion closes later this year. The deal was signed Monday morning, Agarwal told workers, adding that Musk's transaction to take the company private could take as long as 6 months to complete. According to two people with knowledge of the meeting's detail, the CEO told staffers there would be no job cuts at this time. And when asked about the potential hiring freeze, Agarwal said the company was still working through hiring plans before the deal officially closes. Gujarat's independent MLA Jignesh Mevani has been accused of assault and molestation by a women police constable who was the part of the team that brought him from Guwahati airport to Kokrajhar. Police sources said the constable had alleged that when they were passing through Assam's Barpeta district, Mr. Mevani had verbally abused her. He also made rude gestures and pushed her against the car seat, sources said. The case was filed at the Barpeta Road police station on April 21, in which Mr. Mevani has been accused under law dealing with obscene acts or words in public, voluntarily causing hurt, using criminal force to deter public servants from discharge of his duty, and outraging of modesty. The Dalit leader, who has received bail in one case on Monday, was soon arrested in a second case. Mr. Mevani was initially arrested by the Gujarat's Palanpur on Thursday after a complaint was filed against him by a leader of the Assam BJP over his tweets on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray ripped into the BJP over their attempts to dilute his party's Hindutva credentials in the backdrop of the row over Azan and Hanuman Chalisa and use of loudspeakers. Tagging the BJP bell-ringing Hindutwadis, he said, "If you want to chant Hanuman Chalisa, do it. But if you do Dadagiri, then we know how to break it up. We will show you what Bhima Roop and Maharudra is if you challenge the Shiv Sena. A Hindutva is as strong as Gadadhari Hanuman." For the last few days, the BJP, have been screaming that Shiv Sena has left Hindutva. What have we left? Is Hindutva a dhoti that we put it on and take it off? We must remember one thing. Those who are lecturing us on Hindutva must ask themselves what they have done for Hindutva, said the Chief Minister, whose party ended 30-year alliance with BJP that he ended in 2019. Then he lashed out on the erstwhile ally. "When Babri Masjid was brought down, you ran into your hole. The decision to build the Ram temple was not from your government but from the court. And when it was built, you went into Jhola to the people. Where is your Hindutva?" A metropolitan magistrate court in Ahmedabad in Gujarat on Monday rejected the state government's plea for the withdrawal of a case of rioting and trespassing against former Patidar Kota spearhead Hardik Patel and 20 others. Metropolitan Magistrate V.D. Maud rejected the state government's plea and asked all the accused, including Hardik, who is currently the working president of Gujarat Congress, to remain present on May 2 when the court will begin framing charges. The state government had recently said it has started the process to withdraw cases registered against Kota agitators. Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov on Monday said that peace talks with Ukraine would continue while warning there was a real danger of a World War III. Speaking to Russian news agency, he criticized Kyiv's approach to the talks, adding, "Goodwill has its limits. But if it isn't reciprocal, that doesn't help the negotiation process. But we are continuing to engaging in negotiations with the team delegated by Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky, and these contacts will go on." But Lavrov accused former actor Zelensky of pretending to negotiate.